Hey guys, how's it going? You know, I talked to not a lot of people say this, but there are those people who do that they want to get into, starting an online business because they want to create lots of money, and the quicker they can do it, the better. And I basically want to tell those people, don't bother, don't get into it. And why? Because actually, getting into something for the wrong reasons, it's just not cool. Because you should never chase after money. Because money's not really what you want. Trust me, I know this. What you actually want is what that money can buy you or get you. That's what you actually want. And if you focus on what you truly want, then you got a pretty good chance of getting it. But focusing on money, it's a lot tougher. In fact, it might be better just to sit at home and, I don't know, play the lottery. Because that way you'll get a lot of money. The odds aren't too great, but, if you hit it, you'll get a lot of money. It's better sometimes to just think about the people that you help. Like, nothing makes me feel any better than to have somebody that I got to join in on the whole concept of the online business. And they're making the kind of things or money that they were able to get and how happy they are. That's what's amazing to me. Sometimes I get tongue twisted in trying to say things, but I think you got the point. Later, guys. Bye.